Robert from First Gen Industries here. Today we're going to be talking about our first product that we're launching under the Mopar Authentic Restoration Program. The way this program works is they work with manufacturers of auto parts to help re-release parts that were originally available through the Dodge dealer or through the factory that came on your truck when it's new. The first product that we're reproducing is a cab light kit. And many of you have never actually seen one of these brand new because they've been unavailable for so many years. These are the cab lights that go on the top of the roof for 74 to 93 Dodge trucks. This is a two-piece design. You have your housing and you have the lens. In the back of the lens, we also include the wiring harness. Many of these wiring harnesses, the wiring jacket on them get pretty baked over the time. These are actually sitting inside your roof panel between the inner and outer shell. So these tend to rub on the inside of the two sheet metal layers. The heat will eventually bake them. Much like the way you're housing, if you're from the Southwest, you guys know the plastic that just does not last in the Southwest sun, well, everything tends to get baked. So this is a complete kit. So the wiring harness with the light bulb will go in the front. We do include a standard bulb, much like Mopar had. It is a 194 bulb. If you want to upgrade to LEDs for a more modern look, they are available. They are listed on the website separately. Your front lens connects into your housing. And then also included is 5 gaskets, and these gaskets will go between the body and the actual body of the lens. Also included is stainless steel screws. Many of the screws that were on these trucks when new are very worn. Some of them are semi-rusted by now, so we do have 10 brand new screws so that you can mount these all down. One of the other things that are available, if you are wanting to add these cab lights to a truck that did not have cab lights from the factory, this could be a 150, this could be a 250. Many 250s didn't come from the factory with it. We have another harness which is ordered separately. Not everyone will need this, so it's not included with the kit. And this is a harness that connects from your dashboard, runs up the A-pillar and across the roof. So it would connect all 5 of these lights. And this allows you to literally drill holes in your roof. You connect each one of these to the wiring harness, and this end will plug right into the dashboard. On the back side of the dash, it doesn't matter whether you were a half-ton, three-quarter-ton, 1-ton Ram Charger, they all have the port to plug this into. So you literally have a plug-and-play harness here, plug it in behind your dash, feed it up through the roof, connect it to your 5 lights, and you're now up and running. If you guys have any questions, you guys know where to find me. My email address is robert@firstgenindustries.com. You can also reach out to me on Instagram at firstgenindustries. If you want to contact me through my personal account, it's W350 Crew Cab. Let me know if you have any questions.